If you want to uninstall an app on the Samsung Galaxy A57, we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. You can, for example, simply press and hold your finger on the app on the home screen, and then in here we can find the uninstall option. If you don't have the app on the home screen, you can also go to the app drawer and you can choose an app from here. So if I press and hold my finger on any of these apps that I have in here, I should be able to find the uninstall option in this place. And besides that, what you can also do is you can press and hold your finger on an app and choose to select. And then you can select multiple apps at once, and you can uninstall all of them over here in the upper left corner. Of course, you have to confirm that you want to uninstall each of these ones, but this allows you to quickly select multiple apps at once and remove them pretty quickly. Also, if you go to settings, in here we can scroll down and go to apps. And then from this list, you can of course uninstall apps as well. So if I choose any app that I don't need anymore, let's say I want to uninstall this app over here, then I should be able to find the uninstall option at the bottom of the screen. And of course, I need to confirm. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.